The Orbit 3-outlet digital watering timer will turn your hose faucet into a programmed sprinkler system in minutes. No more dead plants because you forgot to water them. No more soggy lawns because you forgot to turn the water off. Just set the timer and go. With a large LCD display, oversized dial, and simple controls, programming is fast and easy. Built with high-quality materials and water-resistant construction, you can count on many years of dependable service. The 2 timed outlets and 1 manual outlet are a perfect solution for a wide variety of projects around your home, from hose end sprinklers to drip irrigation. The manual on-off outlet allows you to use your hose faucet without interrupting programmed watering. With this high-quality, easy-to-use 3-outlet timer, your watering worries are over. And when you buy at Costco, you know it's an incredible value. Take one home today.
I'm Jen, and I want to introduce to you another Beehive product from Orbit. It is the most innovative and advanced hose faucet timer on the market. Simply connect the Beehive timer to any standard hose faucet, and with the Beehive app, program it on your smart device and let it do all the work for you. So what sets this product apart is that through the Beehive app, you can control it from anywhere in the world. So whether you're in the comfort of your own home, at work, or halfway around the world, you can set your sprinklers with your mobile device. Another innovative feature of the Beehive is that it collects local weather forecasts to optimize your watering schedule. For example, if it's raining, the Beehive is going to conserve water by delaying your schedule. And if it's extra hot, it's going to put out more water to ensure the health of your plants. For those of you with watering restrictions, the Beehive has a variety of watering schedules. Just choose the days and times that your city will allow you to water, and you're good to go. Need to access your water, but you left your phone inside? No problem. With the manual watering feature, you can turn your water on and off with the press of a button. There you have it. The Beehive timer makes watering simple, efficient, and saves you time and money. Pick one up today and bring smart watering to your yard.
When it comes to watering the right amount, timing is everything. An electronic water timer lets you precisely customize when you want to water and how long you want to water, helping you save money and giving you the freedom to relax or focus on other things. Start by rotating the dial to Set Clock and pushing the plus or minus button to set the time. Hold to advance quickly. Next, rotate the dial to Start Time and choose when you want your watering to begin. Water for the perfect amount of time by setting the dial to How Long. You can customize the duration you want the water to run, up to 6 hours. Simply turn the dial to How Often, and then set the program to repeat every 6 hours or 12 hours, or from 1 to 7 days. Rotate the dial to Run, and you're ready to go. Did a rain cloud take care of the day's watering for you? Use the watering delay to skip a session without interrupting your programmed schedule. With the dial in the Run position, press the plus button to cause a 24-hour delay. To remove the watering delay, turn the dial to Off and then back to Run. Wash your car without disturbing your watering schedule by pressing the Faucet button for instant watering. This mode will run only when the dial is on Run. Press the plus or minus button for instant watering up to 4 hours. To go back to your programmed cycle, press the Faucet button again. If you need to stop your watering schedule for any reason, turn the dial to Off. This will stop the manual or programmed watering immediately. Pressing the Reset button for 2 seconds will erase all programs and restore your timer to factory settings. Want to schedule watering for your lawn and your garden? Pick up a Gilmore dual outlet electronic water timer to easily cover both areas at their own unique times. Achieving a great-looking lawn feels even better when you know you did it the smart way. Making a lush lawn a breeze? That's a better day.
Today we're taking a closer look at the electronic hose end watering timer from Rainbird. This is a battery-operated controller, takes two AA batteries, and hooks up to any standard hose spigot. It's a very simple way to automate the watering in your lawn and garden, maybe patio plants. Some of the features of this controller are a very large screen and easy to understand dial. It makes it very simple to program and to set exactly what you're looking for. The first thing you want to do is set the clock to the current time. And once you've selected that, press OK, and then select the current day of the week. Now we're going to set the start time. And you generally want to set it to come on early in the morning when it's not too windy and it's a little bit cool. If you want to have a second start time, you can tell it OK, and pick a time a little bit later to allow for the water to soak in. Next, we'll set the watering duration, how long you want it to run, and press OK when you're done. And then set the days of the week you want it to come on. It defaults to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Maybe in your neighborhood you're not allowed to water on Wednesdays. Just press that off. You can see on the right which days you have selected. We'll add Thursday, remove Friday, and add Saturday instead. So we're set to water Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. And then turn it to auto. That's all there is to it. One really nice feature of this controller is the rain delay. If you know that it's going to be raining, simply press the cancel watering button, and you can delay for up to 96 hours in advance. Let's say we'll give it 2 days. Now press OK. And this tells you how much time you have. You can see the blinking light tells you that it's in rain delay mode. It won't come on and water.
A lush green lawn, colorful flowers, and bountiful vegetable garden can give you a tremendous sense of pride. It takes work and diligence, but home gardeners know the rewards are worth the effort. The right amount of water is vital to realizing those rewards. Melnor, the longtime leader in automatic garden watering, introduces the Hydraologic range of automatic water timers, giving home gardeners advanced watering control even while away. Setting your new Hydraologic water timer is simple and flexible. The large screen makes it easy to water when and how often you want, as much as 24 times a day or as little as once per week. So it's easy to water the flowers a little or the vegetables a lot, using your existing sprinklers, soaker hoses, or drip watering system. Hydraologic's advanced settings allow you to water daily, skip days, or water only on specific days of the week, perfect for drought areas with watering restrictions. What if you need a little extra water on a hot day or just want to wash the car? No problem. Your timer has a manual watering function that will quickly start the flow so you can wash or water without changing settings or detaching the timer. Rain in the forecast? We have you covered. Your new timer includes a convenient rain delay feature. Simply set the timer to skip watering during the rainy period. Afterward, the timer will return to its normal watering schedule. For additional automation, add the optional Hydraologic soil moisture sensor to monitor the water already in the soil and prevent unnecessary and potentially harmful overwatering. Depending on your needs, you can choose a 1-zone, 2-zone, or 4-zone Hydraologic water timer, each with the same simple operation, so you can easily water up to 4 areas from just one faucet. automatically. You have invested a lot of time and effort in your lawn and garden. Let Melnor's advanced hydrologic water timers help you keep them green, bountiful, and beautiful.
The Orbit 2-outlet hose faucet timer eliminates overwatering, underwatering, and the hours spent hand watering. Just set the timer and your watering worries are over. With a large LCD display, oversized dial, and simple controls, programming is fast and easy. Built with high-quality materials and water-resistant construction, you can count on many years of dependable service. 2 timed outlets allow you to water multiple areas using anything from hose-end sprinklers to drip irrigation. The manual option lets you use your faucet without interrupting your programmed watering. To conserve water, the rain delay feature easily postpones watering for up to 72 hours. Backed with a 6-year warranty, this high-quality, easy-to-use Orbit 2-outlet timer eliminates your watering worries. And when you buy at Lowe's, you know it's a great value. Take one home today.